In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Mailjet. If you need a clean file of your subscribers for reporting, backups, or migrating to another tool, Mailjet makes it straightforward. We'll walk through where to click, which format to choose, and a few practical tips so your export opens perfectly in your spreadsheet app. Start by signing in to your Mailjet account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Contacts, then select Contact Lists. You'll see your available lists here. Click the name of the list you want to export so you land on that list's page. On the right-hand side of the list page, look for the Export List button. Go ahead and click Export List. Mailjet will ask you to choose a format. You have two options, CSV or tab-delimited text file. Both are friendly with spreadsheet tools like Excel and Google Sheets. Here's how to choose. CSV is the most common and is ideal if you plan to open the file in Excel, Google Sheets, or most data tools. If your contact data often includes commas, for example, addresses or multi-value fields, the tab delimited option can help prevent values from splitting into the wrong columns when opening the file. If you're unsure, CSV is a safe default. After you select a format, Mailjet generates the file and it will download to your computer. Depending on your browser, it may save automatically to your Downloads folder, or it may prompt you to choose a location. If your file is large, give it a moment to process. Keep in mind that this export includes only the contacts from the specific list you opened. If you manage multiple lists and want all of them, repeat the same process for each list. It's a quick cycle. Open the next list, click Export List, pick your format, and let it download. If your goal is to capture every contact across your entire account, check whether your Mailjet account shows an All Contacts view. From there, you can export from that page if available. The All Contacts page aggregates every contact record you've ever added, regardless of which list they're in. Once the file downloads, open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool to verify the columns and spot-check a few rows. If the data doesn't align correctly, try importing it using the tool's text import options and confirm the delimiter matches the file type you chose. Finally, handle the export carefully. Contact lists can include personal data, so store the file securely and share it only with trusted stakeholders. That's it. You've exported your Mailjet contacts successfully.